we're making Tuscan pork chops in the Nuwave Brio Air Fryer coming up. All right, guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can get informed on all the good stuff we're doing here. So today we're going to be using the Nuwave Brio Air Fryer to make these beautiful Tuscan T-Bone Pork Chops. All right, show you how we get the marinade on them. We have them in the marinade for about a good hour or two, just get it real nice and soaked in. Then we'll get it on the grate in the air fryer. Underneath the grate, we got some red peppers and some orange peppers and some shallots. Just get those mixing up with all the good oils and drippings that come down. It's gonna make a nice little dish. All right, come on back. We'll get you over here. We'll show you how we did the marinade. All right, stick around. All right, before we get them pork chops in the Nuwave Brio Air Fryer, we're gonna be doing a little product review on this one. So we gotta cut up some onions, we gotta cut up some bell peppers. So I figured we'd give this new knife that was sent to me a try. All right, it's a Michelangelo Chef Knife. All right, they sent this out to me and wanted me to give it a shot, give it a review. So I'm gonna give it a go. All right, we're gonna give it a shot. It looks really nice. It comes in some great packaging. It's Damascus steel. So we got this nice little setup right here. Nice knife. It's got a great blade, real nice and balanced. Nice wooden handle. I'm digging it. All right, so I'll get you closer to it over here while we're cutting up our stuff. But it looks like a nice little knife. I'm excited to use it. All right, I'm not an affiliate of theirs. I'm just reviewing their product. There'll be a link below, an Amazon link below, and with a 20% discount if you put in that code. All right, so hit that show more, head over to Amazon. All right, guys, we're gonna make the marinade for these Tuscan T-Bone Pork Chops. All right, so I got my new blade here that I talked about already. And I'm just gonna cut real thin slices of these shallots. We're gonna let these kind of just get in there. We're gonna do half of this thing for underneath the cook of the pork chops. So underneath the cook of the pork chops, we're gonna put some of these shallots, little bell peppers, just to let those cook through, because I like bell peppers and onions with my pork. And then I'm gonna mince some of this up too, so we can put it in the marinade. All right. So we got half of a shallot over here, just thin sliced, and then I'm going to do a little mincing and dicing. All right. So this knife is handling very well. I like it so far. All right, so get a nice little dice on those. I'm gonna dry my eyes and then we'll come back. Whew. All right, guys, we got them. Dried my eyes a little bit. These are some strong shallots. All right, so we're getting them in this bowl here that we're gonna use for the marinade. All right, we can get a little garlic in there. Yeah, I cheated. Just got the thing. Got a big heaping tablespoon. I'm gonna get about half a cup of oil, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Thyme sprigs here, and just work the leaves off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the stems in there too, just for the marinade. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. All right, and we got a rosemary branch here. I'm just gonna take those off. Okay. Piece of cake. So when we cook it in the air fryer, I'm gonna put them on the grate, and then I'm gonna put a couple sprigs of the rosemary and a couple of sprigs of the thyme just right on top, just to add that extra flavor as it layers in. Okay. Don't forget all your cracked black. Yeah, buddy. You can do this to taste. I'm not gonna give you a measurement. All right. And then a little pink Himalayan salt. All right, let's stir this up. Like I said, don't worry about them stems. This one's getting annoying. Let's pop that one out. All right, let's get our pork chops in. These bad boys. Straight up T-bone. All right. Get it mixed in there. Get all the goodness in there. All right. Let's get them mixed in there. Get them well coated with all the good flavors. Good to go. Oh. Guys, this smells amazing. This is gonna be a good one. All right, guys, we're gonna get this covered up. We're gonna let it marinate for a good hour or so in the fridge, and we'll be back and we'll put it on the air fryer. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we're gonna continue getting everything ready for the pork chops. Like I said, I'm gonna take these peppers, I'm gonna slice them up and just put them underneath the frying rack. All right, so we're using the new Michelangelo Chef Knife. This thing's pretty nice, got that nice wooden handle, easy grip, good balance. So this is kind of like a review of it and also a cook for the air fryer, okay? All right, let's get these chopped up. This thing is super sharp, I'm digging it. All right, so the cut on this stuff doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just looking and kind of julienne it, no big deal. All the oil and the fat from the pork chops gonna drip through, flavor it up real nice. So it's gonna be great. All right, same thing with this orange one. We got a little mark in here. We're gonna cut that off. You guys are looking to cut a bell pepper up. This is probably the easiest, fastest way. You don't have to worry about seeds. All right, like I said, just julienne. This Michelangelo knife really worked out well for us today. It's very sharp, very well balanced, very well made, and it's not very expensive. This one shows about $40 on Amazon. Use that 20% off code that I put up down below, and you get it for $32, a little bit of extra change for taxes. I'm excited about using it. I'm gonna see about it, see if they'll send me a couple more and I can do a little giveaway with them. So hit that show more, the link below to Amazon, and then use that code that's put down below there, all right? Come on back. All right, guys, we got this preheated. So we're gonna go ahead and throw in our peppers and shallots in the bottom. Just gonna spread these around a little bit underneath. Okay, we're gonna put this basket in right on top. All right. Put our lovely T-bones right on top. Now let these sit out a little bit and come to room temperature. How's that looking? How's that looking? All right, we're gonna cook these about 8 minutes. Little bits from the marinade. That extra shallots and garlic in there. Oh yeah. Now what's gonna happen is all this is gonna just kind of meld through the mesh and season up those peppers and onions down below. So those are gonna turn out real nice. It's ready to go. We're gonna do 8 minutes first. And we're gonna do it at 375. And then we're looking for about 150, 155 temperature in there. And we'll be good to go. Okay guys, the first 8 minutes are done. Okay, we got some pretty good color on this thing. Let's get some light on it. All right, it's looking pretty good. I think we're ready to go for another 8 minutes and we should be good to go. All right, come on back. All right guys, so we're done with the second 8 minutes. Ooh, these are looking nice. All right, so we got our little thermometer here. Let's check it out. We're looking for like 150 or so. It's okay if these are just a little bit pink in the middle. All right, I think we're good. Okay, I'm gonna let these rest a little bit. Those veggies underneath look pretty darn good. All right, and then we'll have a taste test. All right, come on back. All right guys, here's the ingredients for our Tuscan pork chops. We got some thyme, rosemary, shallots, a little minced garlic, a little extra virgin olive oil, and of course our 2 bone-in pork chops. All right, so that was just a recap of the ingredients we did for this cook. All right, come on back for the taste test. All right guys, we're back. We're gonna try this bad boy right now. Oh man, it smells so good in here with that rosemary, the thyme, the peppers. Oh, it looks so good. Got my new cutting board that Lasse left for me. So thanks a lot, Lasse. Cut a nice little bit on there. You know what, I'm gonna get a little bit of pepper on that bad boy too. All right, cheers. It's good stuff, boys and girls. Not bad, not bad. Give this one a try. And don't forget, pick up yourself one of these Michelangelo knives. I appreciate you guys sending it to me to try it out. Everything cut just like a charm. There's a link below and a premium code, get you 20% off, all right? Like again, not affiliate, just letting you guys know. All right, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care now.